What's up YouTube? I'm Alex Carpenter, and today we're going to be building a content builder within CraftCMS. I have a new Craft 3 installation set up here, and what we're going to start doing is building out our content builder. So we'll go to settings and we're going to create a new field. We'll call our new field modules, and we're going to make this a matrix field. So next what we'll want to do is set up our module types. I know we're going to want a text, so our text module, so we'll do module text, and then we'll call that module text. That's going to be a plain text field, and we're just going to allow line breaks to give us a little bit more space. Next I want to do a video, so we'll do module video. We'll call that module video. And that's going to be a plain text field as well. We're just going to drop a YouTube embed for that one. And then lastly, for the sake of the demo, let's do a module image. We'll create module image. And then that's going to be an asset field. And I already have a section or a path set up for that. So I think we are all set. What we can do is save this, and we're going to go add this to our home page. So we can start making use of this new modules field. So we'll go to our sections and we go to edit entry types on our home page, and then let's just drag that up to be available. We'll save that. Let's head over to our entries, and in our homepage entry we should now have access to our modules, as you can see here. So we have a text, video, and an image. So one of the cool things about this is this allows us to author our content in a modular form. So I can add a text block here to start. Let's just get some dummy content here. Copy some lorem text. And next, let's add a video block. So I'm just gonna paste in a YouTube embed. If I can find where I have that saved. There we go. We got a YouTube embed there. Let's add another module or text module. And then let's add a image module. I have an image set up already. We'll just copy that one in. And then lastly, let's just finish with another module text. So you can see this might be a blog post. I want to have a block of text, and then there's a video associated with that post, an image associated with that post. This is a great way of breaking up your content and making it a little bit easier to digest and author. So what we're going to do is save that. And then that's pretty much it for the back-end development of what we need to do. Let's head out to our home page and start making this happen in our template. So what we'll need to do is do a for loop, and we'll do for module in entry modules. And then what we'll want to do is create some folder. Let's see here, open our sidebar folder, and in our templates we're going to create a new folder. We're going to call that underscore modules, and in that folder we're going to create all of our modules that we just created in the back end. So we got a module text, and one thing to note is it's important that we match this title or naming convention to what we named our modules within the CMS. So let's hop back here in the CMS really quick and see this, because this is one of the important parts of it. We'll go to our field, modules, and you can see here module text is our handle, and that's what we'll want to keep these module names lined up to. So next we can do a module video, and then lastly we'll have our module image. Twig. Alright, so we can go into our module text, and this one we want to have a paragraph tag, and we'll do module text. Well, let's go to the module video, and this one we'll just have, let's say, we'll just dump that embed onto the page. So we'll do module video, but we want to add a raw filter on that so it just gets output. lastly, we have our module image. So we'll do set image equal to module image, and we want that first one since it's the only one. And then we can create our image tag, and then we can do image.url, as well as fill in our alt tag with image.title. Great, so now we have all of our modules set up in the template. Now we just need to somehow include them within the loop. And how we do that is use an include. So we'll do an include, and what we need to do is look for our modules folder. So that's underscore modules, and then we need to do a slash. And then what we can do is pass through the entry type, or the module type. And what the module type is, here, let's just comment this out and just show you here. So we can do module type, and then we can go out to our front end and we can see we got module text. Here, let me add a line break to make it a little easier to see. So we can see our first one is module text, module video, module text, module image, and then lastly module text. So if we pass that through in our include, it's going to go in and find the correct twig file that it needs to pull from. So this keeps our template super clean. We don't have to have a big switch statement or an if conditional that's going to pollute our file with a bunch of stuff that is going to be hard for other developers to understand what's going on. This is just a super clean, efficient way, and it keeps our code nice and modular. So lastly, I mean, that's pretty much all we have to do. We can go back to our web page and reload this, and we can see how it gets output. Perfect. So we can see we got our text block, our video block, some more text, an image, and lastly our text. This is something I do on pretty much every CraftCMS build, and it works really well. So thanks for watching.